感动斯里安华先生的到来。
Boleh guna media tahan hasrat rakyat, tetapi no power can stop the will of the people to demand for change, for freedom and justice. Kita kena yakin, kita dah 52 tahun merdeka. Kita sudah matang. We should be mature enough to decide. This is Malaysia. You've heard from Chinese leaders, Indian leaders. I'm a Malay, proud to be a Malay. I'm a Muslim, a practicing Muslim. I don't come here to appease the Chinese by saying I'm less a Malay. It is not a problem for Malay to be a Malay or Muslim to remain a committed Muslim. But this is a Malay country, a country for the Chinese, for the Indians, for the Ibans, for the Kadazas. It's our country. That's all. A very simple message. You can yell on top of your voice saying or claiming there's one Malaysia. Siapa kata satu Malaysia? Ya, satu Malaysia untuk orang atas. Betul. Satu Malaysia untuk orang bawah. Betul. Ada orang kata Tuan Melayu, ketuanan Melayu. Saya nak tanya, Melayu mana Tuan? Melayu pemimpin UMNO, Melayu kaya, Melayu sombong, bukan Melayu kampung, bukan Melayu miskin, bukan Melayu merana. Sebab itu saya kata, bila mereka bangkit, saya persilakan kehadiran Dato' Dr. Malik, bekas usaha politik Perdana Menteri Dr. Mahathir, pemimpin UMNO. Dia hadir sebagai tamu, dia belum umum apa-apa lagi. Terima kasih. Dr. Malik seperti saya tahu bekas usaha politik Perdana Menteri Dr. Mahathir dan Exco Kerajaan Negeri Perak. Jadi isu dia macam Dato' Dr. Yap sebut tadi, bukan isu kita nak lawan MCA, tak. Apa guna nak lawan MCA? Bukan kita musuh dengan MIC gerakan. Siapa peduli apa gerakan cakap? Ada you dengar ke gerakan di Peripu? Dan Tan Sri Kosuku tu kawan saya. Dia orang baik, tapi dia baik saja, tak boleh buat apa. Gross injustices, abuse of power, discriminatory policies, insulting other races, dehumanizing to an extent. Itu yang kita nampak. Soal Teo Beng Hock sudah tahu, Kugan sudah tahu, sekarang pula kepala lembu. You give the message. Sebab tu saya kata, ada orang Cina, India they worry. Saya kata no, this is not 1969. If you want to challenge question the right of any citizen of this country, Malay, Chinese or Indian, we will all stand together. I promise you, we will be there with you. Kita bukan nak ambil kesempatan nak kata, oh ini you boleh bully. Some Indians, kerana Indians are minority, and some of them are quite gullible. Just because they are the minority, you must appreciate the fact the minority must be defended. We cannot have a tyranny of the majority. We must have justice for all. Sudah, Martin Luther King and now Barack Hussein Obama. Remember Barack Hussein Obama, President of the United States of America. 3 days back, he organized a big majlis buka puasa di White House, respecting the Muslims, the Christians, the Jews as equal citizens of the country. I want to reiterate the point, sebab pimpinan UMNO, khususnya Timbalan Perdana Menteri Muhyiddin Yassin, panggil saya anti-Malay, traitor to the Malays, khianat Melayu. Sudah fikir saya perlu jawab? Tak perlu jawab. Ya. Sebab sudah tanya saya dasar bahasa, I'm very clear. I will not sacrifice the position of bahasa Melayu sebagai bahasa rasmi. Tapi this 2009, the polemic, the discourse is different. In the 50s and 60s, the Malays were worried that Chinese may not accept Malay as their official language. The Chinese are worried because they feel that there is no future for the Chinese language if you proceed with that sort of a Malay language policy. Now, no Chinese would question the importance of bahasa as a national language. Now, kalau Cina tak soal kedudukan bahasa Melayu sebagai bahasa resmi, mengapa orang Melayu harus pertikai hak orang Cina belajar dan angkat kedudukan bahasa Cina? Beyond that, yang saya nak tekankan, more important, bahasa Cina in 1950s, bahasa Cina 2009 jauh beza. Bahasa Cina sekarang is an important economic language of the region and the world. It's better for the Chinese to learn and Malays to learn Chinese at the same time. Oh, they say now Anwar tak dapat sokongan ex-MCA sebab tu dia sebut Chinese is important. You are completely ignorant. The problem with us is that we have ministers of education and the so-called UMNO leaders who are actually semi-literate. Dia tak faham. Soal bahasa kita tak kompromi, tetapi bahasa Cina penting. Anak saya sudah tahu, Nurul Izzah belajar masa buat masters di Amerika. Bila orang tanya dia, second language yang most popular size, one of the premier universities in Washington DC and United States. Tanya dia English, pass. Bahasa Melayu Indonesia, pass. Second language most popular in the United States, ada the Spanish, yang kan Spanish ramai di situ. Chinese. You think the Americans love China? No. Dia ada economic imperative. You belajar, you untung. Kalau anak saya pandai bahasa Melayu, very good. Pandai bahasa Inggeris, very good. Nak satu lagi bahasa, saya kata bahasa Cina, very important for your future. Not because you are in Malaysia, but because this is the stark reality. The sooner the UMNO leaders learn, the better. But they will never learn. That's why we have to pull them down and take over this country. Islam ini tak ada makna kalau dia tidak promote keamanan. Religion ini apa dia? Tujuan agama. You baca Confucius, you baca Christianity, you baca Hinduism, you baca Buddhism. Ideal agama apa? Promote peace, tranquility in the self, aman dalam jiwa. You kena all this precious dunia, nothing, because you are the spiritual strength. Believe. I believe in Allah, kita believe in God.